Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Nikki, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel in not title text form. I'm a second-year college student that is having to be on Zoom currently. Hopefully I'll get to go back to school soon, but as of right now, I'm on Zoom. I also live a very sustainable, I would say zero waste, but I know it's not like fully zero waste. I'm trying to live the most eco-friendly life that I can with my budget that I have and all that kind of stuff. You're just gonna be able to see my morning routine today and what that's all about. After I like rustle out of bed, even though it takes me at least like 15 minutes to get myself up, and that's not including the hour and a half of alarms that go off before my body wakes up. Anyway, the first thing I use when I get out of bed, and like first sustainable type thing I use, is actually kind of the reason for today's video. The company Minamul sent me their Konjac? I don't know. I'm dyslexic. This sponge is the perfect daily cleansing for oily combination or normal skin. It gently purifies and exfoliates your skin and stimulates natural blood flow. So it kind of like helps, you know, prettier up. And I will say I've been using these for about a month now, and I've really noticed a change in my face. I've never been a person with like true acne, but I definitely have like very hormonal pimples. I'm also like not perfect about washing my face at night and stuff like that. So I just have like the normal like, you know, 20-year-old like grown up acne. But yeah, I really like these. It comes in a pack of 6. It's only about like $10 from Amazon, and this isn't a sponsorship or anything. They literally just sent me the products, but it's like ever since the beauty blender, I've been so amazed by things that are like hard water, immediately squishy, and that's how these are. And I find enjoyment every day from like taking the really hard sponge that it is and wetting it and then letting it get all like soft and squishy. They're all different. They're just sponges. So for like an eco-friendly reason, it does come in plastic packaging. I mean, I like to not, but I really do appreciate the fact that it is like a natural sponge. And that's kind of where I started all of this like eco-friendly journey, was actually just trying to be more all natural because I have severe eczema. And so yeah, that's where it all started. And then now it has transitioned into being eco-friendly and zero waste and stuff like that. So I'm not 110% worried about that stuff, but I'm still very conscious of it. So that is my only thing with this product, is I wish it did come in like a more organic packaging, because, you know, it's organic sponges. The next thing I use is my the next good God. The next things, why can't I say that? The next things I use are my Bite Toothpaste Tablets. I really like this company and all that they stand for and all their like eco-friendliness and zero waste, and these are zero waste toothpaste tablets. So basically you just take one, chew it up, brush your teeth normal. It's amazing. The bamboo toothbrush I'm using right now is actually, it's from Hawaii, technically, I guess. I don't know, my best friend that lives down in Hawaii, because she goes to the University of Hilo, sent it to me, and for like my Christmas gift, and I really like that one. I've had other ones. I don't know. I feel like bamboo toothbrushes are basically all the same. Some are charcoal, some are not. I know you're really not supposed to use charcoal on your teeth, but I also have the Bite charcoal toothpaste tablets. I like what charcoal does. I probably shouldn't use it though. I also use the Bite mouthwash tablets. These are kind of weird, and I will say, I think anyone could use the toothpaste tablets. I don't think it's weird. You chew it up and you just start brushing, and like it literally foams like normal toothpaste. The mouthwash is kind of weird though, because you have to chew it up really fine and then slosh water in your mouth, and it will dissolve pretty quickly. But it is weird. It's not traditional mouthwash. It takes a little bit of work. I think that's the only thing really about these, is it just takes that extra little effort. So if you're not prepared to give that effort, you know. Then I step into the shower fully clothed, and while in there, some of the things I use is, I actually own my, I don't think I've ever talked about it on YouTube. I used to be so in love with YouTube, and then my freshman year of college hit, and I don't make YouTube videos anymore, and it physically hurts my soul, because it is like, that is my hobby, and I don't get to do it anymore because I don't have the time to. But I'm making my time too, baby. I'm making my time for you guys. I love you. But anyway, I haven't talked about it, which is freaking crazy. I started my own all natural and eco-friendly brand, like beauty and household brand called Sustainable Love. I will leave like website and Instagram and Facebook and all that fun stuff down in the links below. I'm not trying to plug myself a bunch in this video, but when I live this lifestyle and I make all this stuff, I use it because I like it, because it works good. So it's not a shameless self-promo, but if you want to go check it out, go check it out. So you know what, I'm not even going to say my brand anymore, I'm just going to say Sustainable Love. But just to let you know, I am the CEO, I am the product maker, I am the packaging, I am the shipping, I am the social media. It is all me, baby. I, like, obviously have help from Daniel and Kaylee when I ask for it. So the first thing I really use in the shower is I actually just have this glob of a bunch of random shampoo bars that I've made over the last, like, year, because, like, they last a long time, and I make, like, a new batch, like, every 2 months-ish. And so then they just get kind of globbed together. And if I do shave, I use the Sustainable Love shaving cream, and I also use the razor that I got from, is it Mine? Or is it Mindful Goods? Anyway, it's a sustainable razor, and so it will last forever. All you have to do is change the razor blade heads out. Like it says, I've done my research on how much you're supposed to change razor blades out. Everyone says something different. The consensus is when it gets dull. But a single razor blade versus a razor blade head with multiple razors and the plastic that goes all in it and all that kind of stuff. Also, I have really sensitive skin, and it's actually pretty hard to find like a disposable razor that doesn't have some like glide, gel, technology, lotion, break me out stuff. So yeah. Also, if I shave, I don't shave my legs because we're in a pandemic and I don't care. But if I do shave my legs, I like to give a good exfoliant. And recently I've been using the Sustainable Love coffee sugar scrub. I also like the vanilla latte one. I just, in my stash, have just the normal coffee one, so I like it. On top of that, for a soap bar, I am also using the Sustainable Love coffee exfoliant, like, bar soap. That seems excessive to have two. That's why I say when I shave, I use the sugar scrub. Every day, I use the coffee scrub bar soap. It's really nice. I like it. It is kind of like spicy. My recommendation is putting it on like a loofah or a washcloth, or even just like getting it in your hands. I don't know. I have very sensitive skin. It doesn't hurt my skin. I mean, like, but in my brain, I'm like, that's a little prickly as I'm rubbing it on my body. You know what I mean? And then after I'm out of the shower, I usually use a lotion bar because, like I said, I have eczema, so my skin is dry, baby. It's dry. And so I either use the Sustainable Love one, which right now, it's the mocha latte one, or I really like, I'm gonna like butcher the name, which is dumb. I'm pretty sure it's Christine Skin. Here's the name. Beautiful brand. She's not making stuff right now, but I literally I was really in love with her soap bars, but I'm so in love with her lotion bars. Like the citrus one, oh my gosh. And then after that, I step out of the shower, fully clothed, makeup done, everything. It's a wonderful process. Hopefully, cross the fingers, praise the Lord, if I have time, before class starts, I throw a load of laundry in, which is also, like, I guess something cool to talk about that's in my morning routine. I live in an apartment that does not have water hookups and stuff like that, so I use a portable washer. It's literally like a full washer, though, that you just hook up to your sink. Like, you put the water intake onto your sink nozzle. Right? Am I saying the right things? Am I being smart? Probably not. And then you put the drain tube just in the sink. It's phenomenal and has, like, saved me so much money. Also, I just hang dry all my clothes, which is more eco-friendly anyway, which, like, wasn't what I was, like, super going for. I just was sick of spending $3 to do, like, one full load of laundry. So this has made my life so much easier. I wash my clothes with the Sustainable Love laundry detergent because, like I said, I have very sensitive skin. Also, I know this one will not hurt my washer in any way because it doesn't have all the little plastic particles and all that kind of stuff. And then I immediately sit down for Zoom class. As for school stuff, the only, like, really eco-friendly thing I do is every textbook I got a digital version of, and every note that I can, I take on, like, a Google Docs. Sometimes it's kind of hard with, like, presentation stuff to then type. Also, a lot of my notes, like, I can't have another tab open during a test, so sometimes I can't do that. I'd love an iPad. If somebody wants to send me an iPad and an Apple Pen, send her right over. I'll give you my P.O. box. Oh my, should I put my P.O. box? Remember when YouTubers used to do like P.O. box stuff? Everything. Like my dream. No one would send me anything though. Maybe something terrifying. Should I do it? I don't know, check the description. Yeah, if anyone wants to send me an iPad and an Apple Pen, thanks, that would make my life 1,000 times greater. And then usually like in between classes and stuff like that, I just kind of pick up around my apartment. The only like last thing I kind of want to share with you guys was my like kitchen sponge, like what I do dishes with. And it's really cool. It literally is like the flattest, hardest, crustiest thing ever. And then you put it underwater and it fluffs up huge. And it's cool because it never goes back down to that like perfect flat, but it will dry down smaller. So each time I still get the like satisfaction. But that first one when it's that thin little boy and then it just puffs right up. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. It's really good. I really like it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. That was my sustainable morning routine. It was definitely more focused on the sustainable part than it was my Zoom stuff, but like that's not interesting. I sit on Zoom. That's what I do. When I go back to class, I'll actually do like a college day. That would kind of be interesting because I mean, we're not actually like in college for real because like still spaced, still masks, no fun. I hope to at least have one video up a week for you guys because I really do miss doing YouTube and I really want to spend more time on it. So literally, like I've said for like 6 years, please leave in the comments what you guys want to see me do next. If you want me to talk about more sustainable stuff, if you want me to talk about more of my business, like sustainable love stuff, or you just want to see me do like dumb stuff, like cooking with Nickies and makeup videos even, I feel like I'm not qualified for makeup videos anymore. I had the confidence when I was 13, 14, but at almost 20, I don't. Baby, it's gone. It's very minimal. Yeah, shout out to Minamul for sending me these and giving me a chance to make a YouTube video for an actual reason because I forgot how much I loved actually like just filming myself. Also, if you guys want to see my vlog channel, I don't post hardly any more on there, but I have posted a little bit more in the last couple-ish months. Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys hopefully sometime next week. Love you guys, and peace out.